Hai semua, hi everyone. Today we will add more Malay words to our vocabulary bank. And today's theme for the lesson is name of fruits in Malay. Jom mula, let's start. In Malay, we call fruit as buah. Buah. If it refers to a singular type of fruits, then it is only buah. Buah. If we see there are lots of fruits, then we say buah-buahan. Buah-buahan. However, colloquially, we just say buah to also refer to plural, although the word means only for one type of fruits. The word buah is also used as a noun classifier. If you want to study that function of the word buah, click the link above. Let's study a few simple phrases before we jump to the list of fruits in Malay. The first one is when you want to ask someone the name of a fruit which is located near to you, we say, "Ini buah apa?" Ini buah apa? Literally, the phrase means, this fruit what? In the same order as in Malay. However, it essentially means, what fruit is this in English? And colloquially, instead of ini, we shorten ini to become ni buah apa? Ni buah apa? To mean the same, what fruit is this? So the answer could be, ini buah pisang. Ini buah pisang. Literally, this fruit banana. In Malay, there is no to be verb, so you need to put to be verb in English to make a proper sentence. And in this case, is. This is banana. Or colloquially, you could answer as ni buah pisang. Ni buah pisang. To mean the same, this is banana. We can also drop the word buah from the question and answer. For example, ini apa? Ini pisang. Ini apa? Ini pisang. To mean, what is this? This is banana. Or colloquially, ni apa? Pisang. To mean, what is this? Banana. If the fruit is a bit further from you, you ask like so. Itu buah apa? Itu buah apa? Literally, the phrase means, that fruit what? In the same order as in Malay. However, it essentially means, what fruit is that in English? And colloquially, instead of itu, we shorten itu to become tu. Tu buah apa? Tu buah apa? So the answer could be, itu buah apple or tu buah apple colloquially. Literally, itu or tu means that. Buah is fruit and apple is apple. In Malay, as I have informed you previously, there is no to be verb. So you need to put the to be verb in English to make a proper sentence. And in this case, is. That is apple. Or colloquially, you could definitely drop the word buah and answer it like so. Tu apple. Tu apple. To mean the same, that is apple. Alright, we have covered those simple phrases, and before we see the name of the fruits, I really need your help to grow this channel. And by doing these simple actions, you are helping me as well to cover the hours and sweat that I have spent to prepare this lesson for free. Please help to subscribe, like, share this video, and write some comments for me. I would really love to hear from all of you, your reasons and your motivations to learn Malay language. Write everything down below. Terima kasih for always supporting this channel. And one more, I have a surprise for those who watch this video until the end. Make sure you watch this video until the final seconds, okay? Now let's see the name of the fruits in Malay. Pisang, pisang, banana. Pisang kaki, pisang kaki, persimmon. Tembikai, tembikai, watermelon. Tembikai susu, tembikai susu, honeydew. Nanas, nanas, pineapple. Apple, apple, apple. Anggur, anggur, grape. Orange, orange, orange. Limau, mandarin, limau, mandarin, mandarin orange. Limau gedang, limau gedang, grapefruit. Limau nipis, limau nipis, lime. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Berry, berry, berries. Pear, pear, pear. Manggis, manggis, mangosteen. Durian, durian, durian. Rambutan, rambutan, rambutan. Betik, betik, papaya. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Mangga, mangga, mango. Peach, peach, peach. Buah plum, buah plum, plum. Delima, delima, pomegranate. Jambu, jambu, guava. Jambu air, jambu air, water guava. Buah naga, dragon fruit. Lychee, lychee, lychee or lychee. Longan or mata kucing, longan or mata kucing, longan. They differ but from the same family. Duku, langsat, rambai, lansones. They are also from one family but have differences between them. Try them in Malaysia if you happen to be here during the season. Ciku, ciku, sapodilla. Belimbing, belimbing, starfruit. Kelapa, kelapa, coconut. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Jagung, jagung, corn. Zaitun, olives. Buah tin, fig. Durian Belanda, soursop. Sukun, breadfruit. Nangka, jackfruit. Cempedak. Cempedak has similar appearance with jackfruit, but their smell and taste are not the same. I prefer cempedak especially when it is fried and eaten as snack or during tea time. They are marvelous. Kiwi. Avocado. Buah nona, sugar apple. And the last fruit is salak, snake fruit. Honestly, there are more than the ones listed in this lesson, which I have not covered yet. And there are so many, but I guess this list would be adequate. I hope so. Alright, this ends our lesson for today. I hope that you have learned something useful from the lesson, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and write some comments for me. I would love to hear from all of you, your reasons and your motivations to learn Malay language. Write everything down below. Terima kasih for always supporting this channel. But wait, anyone remembers the promise I have made earlier? The surprise is, I have made flashcards for name of fruits in Malay in a PDF form. And if any of you need them, please email me at ilearnmalay@gmail.com with the subject fruits flashcard, and I will send you the PDF. Okay then, until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.